Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can block someone on your Yahoo Mail. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. First and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Yahoo Mail app. So once you open your Yahoo Mail app, all you need to do is tap on the settings option and go to the more settings. So once you do this, you need to now tap on security and privacy. There you can find the block addresses where you can tap on the add section and type in the email address of the person whom you want to block. So once you type in a valid email address, you can simply tap on the save option as well. So once you tap on the save option, the address that you have given will be blocked from your Yahoo Mail app, which will allow you to not receive any messages or emails from that user. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.